Presenting Noise ColorFit Pro 3 smartwatch. The Noise ColorFit Pro 3 comes in 6 color variants of jet blue, jet black, rose pink, rose red, smoke green and smoke grey. This Noise smartwatch flaunts a TrueView TM display with 500 nits of brightness that ensures you get bigger and clear pictures. This smartwatch comes with a display size of 1.5 inches that has a resolution of 320 by 360 pixels. The smartwatch has a 5 ATM water resistance rating, which means you do not have to worry about water spillage, sweat or rain while taking the watch out. This smartwatch comes with a built-in lithium-ion battery that offers up to 10 days of battery life. The Noise ColorFit connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. The smartwatch brings health-oriented features like 24/7 heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, stress monitor with guided breathing sessions and more. It also comes with auto walking and running detection and 14 sports modes. You can install the dedicated NoiseFit app and be at the top of your fitness with detailed progress reports. You can get smart notifications and reminders right on your smartwatch. The box contains the smartwatch, magnetic charger, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with the standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting amazfit Bip U Smart Watch in the color green. The smartwatch features a large color touchscreen with Corning Gorilla 3 reinforced glass. The screen size of this watch is 1.43 inch. This amazfit smartwatch is 5 ATM water resistant. The watch runs on one lithium-ion battery. This smartwatch features heart rate monitoring, PAI health assessment system, stress monitoring with breathing training and blood oxygen level measurement. The amazfit watch comes with smart notifications feature like incoming calls, text messages, apps, calendars, alarm clock, weather forecast, smartphone music and camera control. The smartwatch also features more than 60 sports modes, 4 built-in watch faces, more than 50 downloadable watch faces from the Zepp app and 6-axis accelerometer. Inside the box you will find one amazfit Bip U, one charging case and one manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Noise ColorFit Ultra Smartwatch. The smartwatch comes in 3 color variants as cloud grey, gunmetal grey and space blue. The watch features TrueView TM display, touchscreen with 320 by 385 pixels. The screen size is 1.75 inches. Crafted from grade 6061 aluminium, ColorFit Ultra can withstand daily rough use with ease. It is also IP68 waterproof. The watch has 9 days of battery life. Take care of your health with features like blood oxygen or SpO2, heart rate, stress, REM and sleep monitors. The smartwatch also features 60 sports modes and over 100 watch faces. Inside the box you will find one watch, one charging dock and one user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting Fire Boltt 360 Pro Smartwatch. It comes in 6 color variants of black, black pro, gold, gold pro, grey and silver. The HD color screen, full capacitive touch, supporting taps and swipes gives you a smooth performance. It has a 1.32 inches screen. The watch can work for 10 hours with Bluetooth calling and 10 days without Bluetooth calling. The watch can monitor your temperature. It comes with real-time 24/7 SpO2 or blood oxygen tracking and dynamic heart rate monitoring. The watch allows you to connect your earpods and enjoy listening to music with this cross-connection. Store your favorite music in the watch as local music. Play favorite music on the watch with the inbuilt speaker. You can enjoy 8 sports modes, monitor your sleeping cycles smoothly and accurately, rolling UI and dual button tech. Inside the box, you will find one smartwatch, one manual, one magnetic charger, and one warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.
Introducing the Realme Smartwatch 2 Pro. It is available in the colors like space grey and metallic silver. It has a super bright touchscreen display that helps in screen visibility even in direct sunlight. The size of the screen is 4.4 centimeters with large screen size and high brightness. It's a skin-friendly silicone strap that ensures durability. It's lightweight and easy to wear. It's packed with an inbuilt rechargeable long-lasting lithium-ion 390 mAh battery. It comes with 14 days of battery life. It is compatible with Android and iOS operating systems. It automatically tracks the heart rate 24/7 and the blood oxygen levels. It has a high-precision dual satellite GPS supporting GLONASS that helps to get precise route info, step tracking, and activity monitoring. It supports 90 sports mode and weather forecasts. It also updates the calls and messages notifications. It can be connected through Bluetooth and USB. It's compatible with tablets and smartphones. The smartwatch comes with custom watch faces that have about 100 plus pre-built watch faces. It's featured with water-resistant IP68. It's a smart control device. It contains a watch, charger, and user guide. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.